Hello everyone, I have another unboxing to share, so let's jump right in and see what I have in the August Your Creative Studio box. Here's that. Oh my goodness, what a cute, let's see if we can get this closer. Cute card as always. I love the strawberries, I love the squirrel. Definitely reusable. I'm gonna, for ease of video, pull this out. Something's trying to escape. And scoot the box aside. And we have some beautiful tissue paper, as always. Which, look at this butterfly. I could fussy cut that and use that. So many ways. Okay. Exciting to think of the possibilities. So, oh my goodness, I do love squirrels. This is so adorable. I'm going to pull this out. And this is, let's let it focus first before I go on. Oops, I've got more than one there. It feels almost like a linen paper or something. I don't know. And I don't know if you can see the texture there. I can't tell. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Anyway, so that's really neat. High quality there. What? And those are just little papers. Does it say anything else? No. Antique bookstore material paper of retro page. Okay. What is this? All books are divisible into two classes, the books of the hour and the books of all time. Not really sure what that is all about. Let's just pull this out. So it looks like these are papers that they look like vintage book pages. That's really neat. I can't think of anything immediately other than in junk journals that I would use it for. Maybe I could try to think of a cool vintage junk journal style card also. And then of course there's like poems or things on it. So these would also be great for collage. And I love that there's a variety of color. So then of the vintage color look. Oh no, there's a squirrel. Are these stickers? Let's see. It opens here. Looks like there's 3 designs. And so I kind of am loving the theme here. This one, I don't know if I did that or what, but this is a little squirrel. And we have, oh darling, a little bunny. If you search my channel, I have a video. I have a pet giant Flemish rabbit. I'm getting out of frame there. And I just have a little video of him when he was a little bit younger and a little smaller, slightly, of him hopping around. If you're interested in getting a glimpse of a cute furry rabbit. Not the most stellar videography, but, you know, it's just candid. And, ooh, I love the inkwell. So I think these are stickers. Does it say? That is so cool. They're stickers, I think. Alright, moving on. Lace. That's all it says. This is a cool box, though. It's kind of like a treasure hunt in this kit. Ooh. I'm not sure if I love the pattern. It's very geometric. I like more organic, but this would make an interesting border on a card or on a page. So that's it's got a kind of a plasticky feel, but it's like a washi type of sticker, maybe. Not washi, it's probably not. It's probably got regular adhesive on it. Masking tape. This is probably a washi item. And it looks like, yeah, there's just the one. This is a little gimpy there, but no worries. Let's see if I can find the edge of it real quick. Here we go. And what do we have that we can hold it up against? How about this? And it kind of looks like pine boughs. Is that going to focus? There we go. And it's a nice black and white pattern. Almost, yeah. I was going to say off-white, but it's pretty white. Love this little detail. This has got to go in a junk journal, you know. That'll be a cute little element to add in there. Oh my goodness, there's so many things this month. This is going to take a while. This says paper hidden copies. And there's some characters there, which I don't know how to read. What does that mean? Hidden copies? But that's cute. It looks like a little ticket. Progressive dinner ticket. Are these all different? I'm not sure. I love that color. I think these would be cute, like stagger a couple of them on the top of a page and just put a staple right through it. Could fussy cut them out. Am I blocking it all? The Beatles! I gotta do something for my mom with that. She's a big Beatles fan. Maybe a card. I'm getting all these card ideas, but Led Zeppelin. That one could go with the Beatles ones. Oh my goodness, there's more Beatles. Okay. And Disneyland. My sister loves Disneyland for sure. But I think I'm gonna have to make a special card for my mom with the Beatles tickets. So I'm thinking I want to do like some junk journal type style cards. So let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that. I wanted to just try to, obviously if I use this stuff then it's using something that's purchased, but oh, more Beatles. But I wanted to kind of do something in the style of saving things and not spending a lot, maybe things you could find around the house, and try to make a cute card out of it. Love, this is a cling stamp. Love the little squirrel image there. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited because it's a squirrel. The glare is kind of showing. There we go. Look at him, he's so adorable. He's eating his nut and it looks like he's on a piece of wood. Okay. I got so excited, I thought I'd seen everything, but there actually is a second cling stamp that I need to show you, which is of course another awesome squirrel. Popping in here with the stamps just to show you how they stamp out. And I've got some VersaFine Onyx black ink here. This is the very first time, oops, of course I got some on my card, that I'm stamping it down, but this beautiful pigment ink does such a great job and this is a brand new ink pad, so it's nice and juicy. Before I get it everywhere else, I'm going to put the lid on there, and I will clean these right afterwards, but let me just show you up close the detail on these stamps. And so I didn't see any preview for this kit, and I'm just super excited about the contents. This is gorgeous, this little matchbox style. What is it? I do not know. It says The Flowers Highlights Vintage Tag. Oh, wow. Okay, there's more in there, but these are tags, and they're kind of a thicker material. Can you hear that? I'm gonna have so many journal supplies, but I love the packaging also. Let's see. Ooh, that's like a Morning Glory. And they seem to be all different. Ooh, I like those strawberries. I hope this is detailed enough. I don't want this to be a really long video. Mushrooms. My daughter loves mushrooms. Ooh, that's beautiful. There's another one set aside for my darling. I love this butterfly. And then half of them are more vintage, even. These got the beautiful color, and they're still kind of a thick material, but it's more craft, and it's more muted in the colors. Can you see that? So I'm not going to flip through every... Ooh, I love that one. Every single one. Oh my goodness, I love that one too. Or else we'll be here all day. Let's set those aside. If you want to see these more in what I do with them, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because yes, we're gonna see these in the future videos, in projects, and hopefully some cards. These are just adorable squirrels. These are, I think, can I try to, yeah, they're clear, so it'll show through on whatever background you're using, which is an interesting effect. And we have stamps, which of course I love. And this backing card is totally reusable. Let me see if I can get these out without... There we go. So you see that? Look at that. It looks like a vintage postcard. And then... Oh my goodness, let's try to pull out some cuties. Is that going to focus? No, of course not. It takes a second. Yeah, there's two of those, so there's probably two of each one. Oh, he's He's adorable, isn't he? Look at this owl. There we go. So, and then flowers. You know I love the animals, right? This one's, oh, that would have been so cool on some of those cards I just did with the vintage, the beach day theme. I think, oh, there's a seagull. This one's kind of folksy. I'm gonna hold this up there and hope it focuses. Isn't that cool? Look at the detail in there. And what do we got? A parrot. Ooh, a deer. Okay, moving on. Let's set these aside. We have 2 more things still. We've got some papers. Let's do the papers, huh? These look like handmade, like a mulberry type paper. Gotta pull this out. Oh yeah, it's got lovely texture. I was just snipping it. It's not a strong smell, but it's an interesting smell to it. So there's 4 sheets. Those would be fun, I think, to tear, maybe. And lastly, but not least, ooh, oh my goodness. I absolutely love this image of the squirrel. And this is just like a vintage notepad. So, in the last journal I did, you saw that I just, like, stuck it in the journal. I'm gonna love using this guy, every single one, and my daughter will love these mushrooms too. Alright, that is it in this month's box, and I don't want to make this video too long, but yes, again, subscribe and hit the notification bell to see what I might do with this in future videos. And thanks for watching today. Have a wonderful creative day. Bye!